What are you doing with these things?
These?
Yeah.
You can eat them.
Eat them. But what is it?
It's pea meal bacon.
And what's the process of doing this on the fire?
Well, have you tried the barbecue? This is there. You want a pig on the barbecue, all right? The only difference is here, there's no apple in my mouth. I mean, in these things, all right?
Looks like there's a real art to it.
There is, and I've learned this here, and first, I want to let you know the name of the pig. His name was Arnie.
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 Oh.
And then, so what we had to do, we had to kill Arnie. And that's where we are. We are at Kill Arnie Provincial Park.
Oh.
And then things, so you butchered him. And then you slice off around the back right here. Just shave that off. You can see that this pig had a small ass just like I did. And that's why there's just small little cheeks here.
Oh,
Very
yeah.
biblical to eat this. This is like turning the other cheek right here. All right. Beautiful. This is what we like here. It's almost done.
What's the temperature of that fire?
The temperature right here, just a second. 412 right there. Yep. 387. Although it's a bigger flame, it's not as you don't see the blue. That's why it's a little cooler.
Oh, okay. So
Really hot? Right here, no doubt. All right. Well, that's it. That's Chef Boyardee signing off at Killarney. Thank you.